What is it?
We shall be back. When we're back, I might be.
Everybody's gonna win. Yeah, yeah. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to dye this hair Burgundy Blaze. This is what the dye looks like. This is Burgundy Blaze in 6.2. So we're going to be trying to dye her hair this color. Hopefully it's not a fail, sha. I'm like a hair expert and stuff, so she had to beg me like, please, can you help me do my hair and stuff? But since your girl is a nice girl, I said to come true. So yeah, let's hope this. But this you don't need to bleach your hair. That's why we got this particular one, because she did not want to bleach her hair. I had to bleach my own hair, but so let's try and see if this works. So yeah, wish us luck. The dye we are using Creme of Nature, Burgundy Blaze 6.2, exotic shine color with argan oil from Morocco. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. So this is the gel hair color developer. It comes in the pack. This is the hair color. This is the actual color we're meant to pour into the developer, and you can see it's in the color 6.2, and this is meant to be used for one application only. Then this is the argan oil treatment that comes also in the pack. This is the last thing. It comes with the intensive conditioning treatment. This is it's not a lot, but I think it should be okay for one use. But it looks really small though. But yeah.
Rip this over my shoulders for protection.
You're rude.
And then put on gloves.
Look at the cultist.
Like this red and red. I'm joining the gang.
Nah, so
Respect me. Bounce off.
for the first step, we cut like the top of the developer. So the next step, we're going to be putting the hair color into the developer. So
I think we should walk the hair first, then walk the scalp.
yeah, scalp should be the last because it gets bleached really easily. So you shake, see, and I think we have a good, like the color's already coming off, so you know that you've mixed it right. But I'm going to still mix it a little bit more though.
Get more red.
So you can see when you mix it and you see the color you're going for, then you know you're doing the right thing for sure. Yeah. So the next step is to like divide the hair into 4 sections, like you would when you are washing your hair or like relaxing your hair or anything like that. So when you want to dye your hair, it's like best not to do it on freshly washed hair. Or at least if you're washing your hair, it should be 2 to 3 days before your dye. It shouldn't be like a day. It shouldn't be like that same day or a night before or something. So like your hair doesn't lose its natural oil.
Honestly, since I relaxed it, I think I haven't washed it. I'll look for an excuse to wash it.
Today's perfect.
Yes, we found one. My hair is not natural, so don't shade me.
But these days, there's a lot of shade. Like, to be honest, hair is hair. Whatever makes you happy. Sections, and it's advised to start from the front, but we're not going to do the edges till. That's going to be the last thing we do, so it doesn't get like really light, because the edges get dyed easily, faster than the other parts of the hair.
Oh,
So
guys,
that's not the problem.
I can't stress enough. I advise you, please relax your hair.
Actually, guys, look at this. Like, this can never happen to my hair in 100 years, except I like blow dry, straighten.
Yeah.
What again? I silk press. It's going to take like, oh no, this is so silky. Do I miss it? But then I still prefer when I have my hair like styled and then it's in a flow, like it's
puff.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. I like the weight. What they call the volume. I like the volume that comes with natural hair. So we're going to start from the tip down, because the roots, like I said, gets dyed faster. So So guys, I'm going to use coconut oil, and this is from Orekelewa Organics. Where did you get it from? Do you know?
No, I don't get it for me.
Okay. Anyway, you can use any coconut oil, to be honest, but we're going to use it on the hair before we put the dye, just so like when you're done, your hair is still left moisturized and soft and all that jazz. But like, don't put a lot because you are meant to be dyeing on dry hair.
Yeah.
So like, you're not meant to put a lot so your hair doesn't get wet or anything. You're just doing this so your hair is healthy and alive when you are done with the process. So just a tiny bit goes a long way.
Less is more.
You know, not every time, but like less money is no more.
I'm dead.
When it comes to money, more is more. Like, let's not kid ourselves.
Oh my days. I've been left to my devices.
The dye went round once and we still have, it's not so little, I don't know it's going to show. Yeah, like here, right? So we still have like this much left, and I'm going to try to go around, and I'm actually going to put it on the edges.
Going to cut that bottle open
now
and get everything scooped out.
You know where you want to get your body's what? That's what this is trying to do. But yeah, like, so now I think we can put it on the edges and like in between all those like areas we didn't reach the first time. Yeah, so I think the edges will still be the last. Let's just try to get into, especially the front roots where you're going to style.
Yeah.
So,
What do you do?
okay, it's okay. So for the edges, I'm going to like put dye on my this is not the palm, what they call it?
The back of your hand.
I'm going to put dye like on the back of my hand and then use hairbrush to get the edges. So yeah, your forehead is about to be red.
Legit, I already know it.
Color.
Don't play me, Creme of No Nature. If you're watching this,
They're going to refund the sis her money.
because I saw Dark and Lovely and I knew Dark and Lovely
Works. Have you
is $7.
really? How much was it?
$5. I think that was even a sale price. I'm not sure.
Tip of the hair, because like it looks. Can you move forward? Can you see like it's already showing? So we feel like it's going to get colored. So I'm moving to the tip because the tips look really black though. So, but if it doesn't work out, it's going to look like ombre or something. So
Just keep your wig handy in case you end up looking like a tree monster.
in case you have a bad hair day when you're, or you have bad hair days in capital, you just need a wig to like cover up all your bad secrets. I think we're done. Can I come closer? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's really showing. Let's hope for the best.
So when should we start the countdown?
I think we can start it now. I'm meant to leave the timer for 25 minutes, and yeah, you just set a timer so you are sure that it beeps when you're done, practically. So yeah, that's about it.
We haven't met, but that's okay. You will be asking for me one.
Okay,
We're ready.
We
shall be back. When we're back, I might be a new bitch.
So we just washed Pieces' hair and she went to get some stuff for styling, so I decided to show you guys what we used. I recently got this L'Oreal Vive Pro, and it's a high gloss shampoo for colored hair. Yeah, this is what it looks like, but I think this is the older one. The newer one is like all red, I think, but this is for colored hair. So you do not need to necessarily use this one. Once you have like a conditioner or shampoo that's good for colored hair, that is advisable. And if you don't have that, that's fine, because you can buy it like later. So I used this, and we also used the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Deep Cleansing Shampoo. So I mixed these two for her hair, and this one that came in the pack, and we used the Shea Moisture. So before we dry the hair, we're going to use this hair serum by Zibrata. This is the olive oil hair serum. I'm going to be using this argan oil treatment that came in the pack of the dye, just to give the hair a bit of a healthy glow, because we just processed the hair. And then we're going to use black Jamaican castor oil. So all of this is just good for the hair to have in it, because it's going to like undergo heat and chemical and all that stuff.